Hey guys, how's it going? So today I wanted to make a video called Money Loves Speed and Wealth Loves Time. So this fancy title, in other words, is talking about compounding and specifically compounded efforts when it comes to the land business. So when I got started in this business towards the end of 2019, it's about coming up on 5 years now. My first piece of land that I ever sold was a $39 a month payment in like Navajo County, Arizona. Um, and the thought in this video is how quickly it doesn't sound like a lot, especially at $39 a month, especially when you hear that there's land deals being done out there that's like $500,000 in net profits, or 100,000 or 200,000 or 50,000 or whatever it is. I wanted to make this video to encourage that these small little things, these small wins stack up over time, especially when it comes to the land business too, where to not ignore the small wins, right? Because we started with that $39 note and within 18 months, or 2 years or whatever, we built it to 380 notes. And even at $39 to $200 a month in payments, that gave me my freedom. So though it that is very attractive, the monthly payments and all that, after a while I kind of started getting like distracted, meaning I was like, hey, there's all these deals, giant deals being done of 500,000 or 100,000, and there's these big wins, and that I'm playing small, you know but what I kind of realized was that that is actually what gave me my freedom, is those small wins. And what I was actually doing is creating incredible amounts of like contract value over time, right? Because yeah, it's $39 or $100 or $200 a month, but when you have hundreds of notes and that note income lasts for 4 to 5 years, that can be incredibly powerful. That gave me my freedom, personally and for our business, to exist and kind of stand the test of time. So yeah, that's just the thought that I wanted to share. Money loves speed, wealth loves time, and that these little actions will and can compound, and they can be incredibly powerful. And I know, we hear about all these crazy, amazing land deals, and they do exist, and there are giant $1 million deals that where one deal can change your life. That is true. And if you can add these little compounded wins, it can go a long way.